The following footage is from a tornado that struck South Tuscaloosa Sunday morning at 12:53 a.m. on the 20th of November, 1988.
Monday, the 21st of November, 1988, after a tornado touchdown right here, 12:53 a.m., Sunday, November the 20th, 1988. This is where the touchdown occurred. And then it moved across the Interstate 59 into other parts of South Tuscaloosa. Seven have been injured, and 100 homes have been destroyed, at least partially, in this tornado. This is where the tornado apparently crossed Interstate 59, just north of McFarland Boulevard here in Tuscaloosa. Now you'll see in a minute the exact location it crossed. This is the back of the house we were looking at just a few moments ago. Crossed the interstate into this field that you see here. It tossed this uprooted tree all the way over there. Left of this tree are some houses that narrowly missed being hit by the twister path the tornado took. There are some of the trees that were down. Even now, the day after, they're still cutting and clearing the way. And here you can see more tree limbs and more trees broken off by the tornado. This house was torn off. The chimney was blown into the roof. There was even more destruction as the tornado moved on a northeasterly path through South Tuscaloosa. Here on 36th Street, Monday, November 21st, 1988, utility workers are repairing down lines and power cables. Here's a house which was partially destroyed in the tornado. The carport's roof was badly broken up. This is this car. Apparently a tree fell down on this car. Many homes were spared major damage in this area despite major damage to trees and power lines. However, the roof of this house was badly damaged. In fact, part of the house was more or less torn off. Here we are on 37th Street. Looking toward the path of the tornado. The tornado struck without any warning. There was a tornado watch for this part of Alabama when it hit.